we're going to do is we're going to, using our sickle, okay, using our sickle, we're going to take all the dirt out around the sides, okay? Okay, that was pretty fast. Then what we're going to do, we're going to take it and lightly push it out. We're going to turn it sideways. And then what do you think the next thing we're going to do is? You're going to spray it. Can you come over here and spray it for Papa? Good job, keep doing it. Keep doing it. That way while we're working on it.
What's that green things?
That's fertilizer. That way when we're working on it, it doesn't dry out. Perfect. Just like this. Yes. We're going to lightly pull away. Yep. And then we're going to turn it. And we're going to lightly pull a little bit more. And lightly pull a little bit more. And we're just going to try to find the nabari. Can you say nabari?
Nabari.
Nabari. That's the base of the tree that looks like it's holding the earth and hugging the earth.
Hugging the earth.
Hugging the earth. That's right. Boy, they put a lot of fertilizer in there. Gently, you're going to spray it again. Here, let's pump it up real fast. Okay, come right over here. You know what to do. Push it down right there and spray it. Keep going. Papa will spin it. Keep going. Okay, good. We'll do a little bit more. And then we'll spray it maybe one more time. And then, so this is the ficus. Ficus, most of the time, are indoor trees. Okay, very gently, we're going to pull these out, not down, just out. Okay, good. You spraying it for Papa? Good job. Okay, now you can turn it off. Marcel, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to cut.
I almost want to do it.
You want to do that? Okay, come help Papa. Okay? We're going to cut those. Here, let me do it, and then you can do it when we're all done. Just going to do it fast. So what we're going to do is this is going to...
Papa.
Okay, come stand right over here.
Okay.
Okay. So what we're going to do is, do you see this?
What's
You
that?
see this?
Yeah.
That is going to go over the top of these holes, and it's going to stop our drainage from falling out. Okay, so now you can cut it. Can you come cut it for me?
Yeah. Okay. My method.
Okay, cut it. Awesome. So now Papa's going to turn this upside down.
Upside down.
Yes, I have a towel here. And can you help me put these in these holes right here? Here you go. This one right here. Yes, push it all the way in there. Good. And I'll push that one all the way in there. And then we're going to turn it upside down. Careful of your eyes. And we're going to go get some drainage. Okay, go ahead and take some drainage, scoop it out of there, and put it inside the pot.
Inside the pot?
Yeah, put it right inside the pot.
Where?
Right there. The whole thing. Okay? And then one more. Good job. We're gonna do that 3 times. And you're gonna put that right in here. Right in the center. Let me move that out of the way.
I want you.
Right in the center. Okay, one more. Just a light scoop. Not too much. Perfect. Okay, do one more.
One more.
Perfect. Okay. Just a little bit. Little bits at a time. There you go. And then just put it right in here. I'm just going to fill this whole thing up. Go ahead. Okay. Keep going, get some more.
Okay.
Fill her all the way up. Good job over here. Okay, go ahead, fill her up. Good job. Okay, let's do some more on the back side. Go for it. It's okay. Good job.
And now let's do more.
We're going to just lightly tap this down.
There.
Yeah. Gentle, gentle, gentle. We're going to tap that down. Make sure that we get all the little pockets out. Okay. So go ahead and tap it. Yeah, Papa tap it too. Just the sides. That's going to help it settle in there a little bit more. Okay. I'm going to tap it down on top. Okay. All right. The camera's now on. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
We'll see you next time.
You see you next time.
We'll see you on the next tree.
I'll see you next tree.
All right. Okay, go. Back up a little bit.
Okay.
Got it?
Hey, look at the rainbow.
Is it a rainbow right there?
Yeah.
Wow, that's beautiful.
When you turned it off, there's no rainbow.
There's no rainbow. Okay, keep going. One more time.
And then the rainbow again.
Rainbow again? How beautiful. I hope the camera picks it up. Perfect. Yes, we are. So, can you lightly spin that real slow for me? Very slow, very slow. And look what you did. This is your first tree that you did all by yourself. Well, you might have had a little help. Isn't that beautiful? This is a ficus tree. Can you say ficus?
Ficus tree.
A ficus tree. Okay, we're gonna go put this in the office. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Take care.
Take care.
See you on the next tree.
See you on the next tree.